Khelo India Beach Games have begun, and what is now being seen and as being witnessed as a contest of the technicality of a sport. Pencak Silat is the sport which has given the first gold medal of the games on the first day of the competition. And right now, as you can see, I have the 3 gold winners who are from the Union Territory itself, who have backed the gold medal, which are the first gold medals of the Khelo India Beach Games. I would like to ask you, in fact, as you have won, all 3 of you have won gold. Kirtana, how do you feel right now competing in technical sport? This is one of the technical sport. कैसा लग रहा है आपको अभी यहाँ पे दीव में आपने गोल्ड भी किया है और पहले भी आप बहुत प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, तो कैसा आपका एक्सपीरियंस है?
ये मोमेंट मेरे लिए बहुत ही प्लेजेंट एक्सपीरियंस रहा है और बहुत हार्ड वर्क और कंसिस्टेंसी के थ्रू एंड थैंक्स टू माय कोच, उनके वजह से मैं आज इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हूँ एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू बी हियर एट दिस प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ खेलो इंडिया.
And we have another, in fact, gold winner and the only boy who has won gold. He is Prasanna. Congratulations, Prasanna. And now in Diu, the first gold announcement was for Pencak Silat. It's a very technical game where the points are given on the basis of the creativity and the kind of defense that you have. So how do you feel? कैसा लग रहा है आपको अभी, मतलब इस लेवल पे पहले ही गेम्स में गोल्ड लेके कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि इतना ज़्यादा मतलब बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें हमको गोल्ड मेडल मिला है और अपने ही यूटी में अपने ही इतने सारे स्टेट्स को हरा के गोल्ड मेडल जीतना मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है.
So learning क्या है? पहले गेम्स हुए हैं खेलो इंडिया बीच गेम्स and right now last year the beach games happened, right? Now it has been announced that beach games from Khelo India will be a reality every year. So what is the learning and how excited are you?
Yeah, I'm very excited and I am looking forward to it, to participate every year and to be selected and win more and more medals for the UT.
Thank you. And we have another winner, gold winner from Daman, Princess Thomas, in fact, who is also a world champion. How do you feel right now? You must be on the top 9th cloud as well.
It feels very nice and exhilarating. So this moment for me is as much as pride for me and for my state as well, because earning a medal in your own UT by defeating the others is a great achievement. And in the international level at World Championship, I got bronze. But here when I won for my own state and I got gold, in the very first day and in the very first event in our platform, it was such a nice and a moment of pride for me.
And how do you look forward? Because technicality is one of the very challenging part of the sport. And this is one of the 6 competing medal sports in the Khelo India Beach Games. And this will only witness more and more participants from across the country as the more women are opting for this. As a young woman, how do you feel, inspiring other women who are participating into this, who are showing interest into this kind of a sport?
So for me, as Pencak Silat, for women it's basically very nice because we don't hit on the face. So the parents are not very concerned about their beauty be gone. So we conduct seminars as self-defense for Pencak Silat as well. And I think as it's growing day by day, the development, the growth, it's very necessary and it's very vital for the women in our generation, because you never know when you're going to deal with a situation like this. So I think it's very nice and I just hope to be promoting it and to be giving my own share of practice and my wisdom to the other people as well.
And one message to all the young aspiring women, sporting athletes who are looking at you and learning to practice further day by day, who are also facing defeats. One message that you want to give?
It's never too late. There's no age bar for it and there's no gender for it as well. So just convince your parents. Just go, and you never know when you might need it. So just go for it and have faith in yourself and you'll be there on the top. So don't be scared of the defeat as well.
Thank you very much. In fact, that's the key message from the sporting warriors. And who we have right now are none other but the young warriors. This is a young team that is behind bagging the gold. And with the gold, they say in one language, the message is that it's never too late and it's always best to invest where your heart lies. Thank you very much. This is Simran from Diu with video journalist Dinesh Thakur.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.